What's going on, guys? Welcome to our money transfer series. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Chime to your PayPal account. So without any further ado, guys, let's aim this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. Well, first things first, you need to know that Chime works with third-party apps like PayPal. So if you are looking for somewhat a way to directly transfer funds from your Chime account to PayPal, just know that it can be done directly, and all you need is your Chime debit card or your Chime routing and account number. So how can you actually get your Chime debit card or your routing and account number? Yep, that will be the first step in this guide, and for you to do this, you need to log into your Chime account and go to the Move tab. Okay, from there tap use Cash App, Venmo or PayPal. Okay, and from there now you want to get your Chime debit card details because that's what is going to be shown on your screen, or alternatively you can see copy your routing and account numbers instead by selecting it as an option. Okay, so for the best of chances, I will recommend that you copy both your Chime debit card details and your routing and account numbers. Okay, just so if you try linking your Chime account to PayPal from one way or one method, it doesn't work out, you then go in for the second option. Okay, so just copy your debit card details and your routing account details. Let's get to the next step. So after copying your Chime banking details, it is time to link it to your PayPal account. You can do this from the PayPal application or from the PayPal website, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the PayPal application, which works best in case if you want to link your Chime debit card. If you want to link your Chime routing and account number, you can as well still do it through the app, but it is preferable you do it through the PayPal website. So what you want to do is just open the PayPal application just as so and come to this wallet tab just at the bottom. From here you want to click on this add new beside the card. Okay, and then you want to select debit and credit card, and then from there you want to select enter card info, or you can scan your card. But since we copied these Chime debit card details, if you already have your Chime debit card at hand, you can scan your card. Okay, but if the card is still in your phone or is still in the digital form, you can just click on enter card info just below here. Okay, and once you click on that button, you'll be prompted to enter your Chime card details. The details include your card number, expiration, the CVV, and the billing address. Okay, alternatively, as I said earlier, you can scan your card, but if you have the card in a digital form, just want to copy the details and enter them as a card number, expiration, CVV, and you enter the billing address. And after you've done all of that, you just want to click on this link card button at the bottom. So if you did link your card successfully to the PayPal application, you should be able to see it available among the cards that you have linked to your PayPal account. Okay, and from here you can add money from your Chime debit card to your PayPal account by going to the add money section on your PayPal account. You can do this again through the PayPal application or the PayPal website. Okay, but as long as your PayPal account is already linked to your Chime account, you can easily transfer money from your Chime debit card to your PayPal account, or just use the card directly as a funding source for your PayPal transactions. So guys, that's just how you get to transfer money from your Chime debit card or your Chime account to your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.